Alright, look at this shit. This is a Herald Harbor, old Herald Harbor road. Watch it. Look at this. This is crazy. Alright, they got it all blocked off. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Got yourself a new fishing hole.
I'm telling you.
Whew. It's bad.
Now, are you checking it out officially for your work and all, or just?
I'm just looking at it. I heard about it, and I
curious like we are. Then.
Yeah. I'm making sure I had no plant in the ground too. That's messed up. How deep do you think that is? About what? 20 feet? 15 feet?
From the road to the water?
Yeah.
I'd say I'd go with 15 because I think in terms of a basketball rim, that's 10 feet.
Wow. That is crazy.
You know, Rachel's 10.
Can you, man? Can you imagine driving down here and seeing that? Oh my God.
Somebody died from something like this.
Not on this one?
I don't know if they did on this one. I think they did. Somebody got hurt because they were just driving, and then the water was so high, it just looked like a water puddle.
Yeah, so they went through it?
It went into it, and that way it was, the door, they couldn't open their doors, so they drowned.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Yeah. Poor thing. I felt somebody did. Huh. Crazy, man. This is freaking crazy.
Go hiking? Okay, up to you. You're the boss. Which one's you?
This is something out of a movie, you know?